So unless you've been living under a rock, you already know Google is trying to win the AI race with their massive lineup of free AI tools. And in today's video, I want to show you 5 or 6 insane use cases across Google's entire AI ecosystem. Whether you're using AI for personal projects or even for work, you're going to get a ton of value from this video. So let me not waste any time. Let me jump straight into one of the first AI tools by Google that I want to show you that has over 100 million active users at the time of me making this video, which is the Google AI mode. Now this one's actually quite interesting because a lot of the people that I come across haven't heard of it, and it's not really one of the more popular Google AI products because it doesn't work like the other ones that I'm going to show you, but it's really interesting in the way that people are currently using it right now. Now for those of you that's never heard of it, essentially it is a remake or an update of the Google search engine that we're all familiar with. And what that means is that you can use it, of course, for completely free. You can go onto it, you can type in your search term and it's going to give you answers back, it's going to give you results back, and it's going to give you different websites. And there's 2 different types of people that are currently using it. Whether it is consumers or if it is business owners, people are going onto it, either typing in search terms for things that they're thinking about buying, or what people are doing that are running businesses are using it when it comes to ranking their website so that they can put their website in front of those people that are searching for products. So it's pretty straightforward, but I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So I'm just going to type in this search term right here. And what this says is, I want to buy a retro handheld game console that ships to the USA. Can you recommend some sites? So with this example, let's assume that I'm a regular customer that wants to buy this particular product. I'm just going to click on send. And what it's then going to do is that it's going to come back with all of these different results. Now, not all of them are going to be websites. As we can see on the right hand side, we've got Reddit, we've also got YouTube, but there's also going to be sites like this. So I'm going to click into it. Let's take a closer look. So this is the website right here. As you can see, it's simple, straightforward. You know, we can see that people are actively going onto it in the bottom left hand corner right there. And this is the main item that they have available. Now, the thing about this type of site is that they've been able to do something called SEO, which is search engine optimization, for them to be ranked in the Google search results as well as the Google AI mode. And the thing about these different products is that if I go onto this software over here called AutoDS and click into this new feature that is called TikTok Analytics, and I double checked this earlier, but right there at the top, we can see the exact same item that is available on the Google AI mode that's currently trending right now on TikTok. And with AutoDS, if I just click into it, it's going to be able to give me more information. So we can see the viral index right there. We can also see the popularity score. And if we just scroll down to this section, it's going to give us all of the information when it comes to the trend, as well as all of the different videos that have done well on TikTok. So you can sort it by the amount of views. Let me just do that now. So there's countless videos here that I've been able to get millions of views on TikTok, but let me click into a random profile. Okay, so this video on TikTok got over 1.2 million views, you know, decent engagement. And as we can see, it's a simple video where they're showing the product being used. So yeah, that's one of the first ways that I wanted to show you when it comes to how people are using Google AI tools right now. But swiftly moving on to one of the second ways, which is by using NotebookLM to learn anything. Now, NotebookLM, again, I would say is a very interesting tool because it works in a different way to many other ones that are out there, in the sense that you need to give it a source document for it to refer to. And you can use it for so many different things, but one of the ways that you can use it, and I would say that it's the reason why they made it, which is to help people learn things a lot quicker. As we can see on the homepage right here, it says that it's your AI powered research assistant. You know, it's going to help you when it comes to instant insights, helping you when it comes to getting answers and being able to listen and learn on the go. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it in a very simplistic way. All I'm going to do is just click on try NotebookLM. And of course, it's completely free for you to use. And once you've logged in, it's going to take you over to this page. And you guys must have already seen this because I spoke about NotebookLM previously. But all you need to do at this point is just upload a source document or source file. So you can either upload a file using this section, you can connect your Google Drive, you can use a YouTube video, you can just paste normal text. But what I'm going to do is use a URL link for a website. And the website that I'm going to be using in this example is AutoDS's blog website. And the reason why I'm using this one is because they're super consistent when it comes to publishing brand new articles for this particular model of being able to build a website. As we can see, 16 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago, 32 minutes ago, and the list goes on and on. They're always up to date with the latest trends when it comes to this particular model of building up a website. So if this is something that you wanted to learn, you wanted to get a better understanding of what that site was doing that is on the Google AI mode, and you want to be able to just get a better understanding, what you can do is just copy the URL just like this. Of course, you can just read through every single article, and that's something that I would recommend. But if you wanted to summarize things, you could just paste the complete URL for all of their blogs in there just like that, and then click on insert. And from here, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now, the reason why NotebookLM is different from other ones is because you're able to get an audio overview based on the source link that you gave it. So if I wanted to listen to something with a clear AI generated voice when it comes to the topic of all of these different blogs, it's going to be able to give me that. If I wanted a report, mind map, flashcards, a quiz, I'm going to be able to get that. But in this case, I'm going to basically get a 5-minute mini course, because if you just click on this pencil icon over here and then scroll down, I'm just going to say something along the lines of, I want you to give me a 5-minute mini course based on the dropship blog articles on AutoDS's website. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on generate. And as you can see, it's now generating the video overview. Now this might take about 5-10 minutes because it's going to create a unique video that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere. But as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back ASAP, and I'm going to show you a short preview of it so that you guys know exactly what video you can go away and make yourself using NotebookLM. Okay guys, so I'm back, and it was able to do exactly what I told it to do. It made the explainer video, and if I just click on play, I'm just going to show you what it was able to do. So I'm going to make the screen full screen, and I'm just going to play maybe a minute of it. As you can see, it was able to make a 5-minute video, but let me just click on play.
All right, let's talk dropshipping. I know you've probably heard it all before, but trust me, what worked a few years ago, that's pretty much ancient history now. The entire game has changed, and today we're cracking open the brand new playbook for what it takes to win in 2025.
First things first, let's just tackle the elephant in the room, because I'm pretty sure it's on your mind. You've seen the headlines, right? The YouTube comments, dropshipping is dead, the gold rush is over. It's everywhere.
So is it true? Well, nope, not even a little bit. But has it changed? Oh, absolutely. It hasn't just evolved, it's gotten a whole lot smarter.
But yeah guys, that's the video right there. You know, pretty decent. The fact that it's able to do that super quick and give me all of the information I need on this particular topic. Now you can do this for any topic under the sun. There's no limitations as long as you're able to provide it with a source document or a source website. In this case, I used AutoDS because they're one of the best websites when it comes to providing information. So NotebookLM is able to summarize the information on their site really good. But again, you can make and explain a video on any topic that you want. Now, speaking of AutoDS, if I just go back onto it, as I showed you guys with this video over here that's currently trending on TikTok, I actually replicated a very similar video using AI for the purpose of what I want to show you right now, which is the next insane use case when it comes to using Google AI, which is the fact that Gemini 3.0 is actually capable of analyzing a video and telling you the best thing to do with it. Whether you want to run ads on a particular product or using a particular video, or maybe you want to see if there's any errors or changes that need to be made in a video, you can use Gemini 3.0. And right now you're probably thinking, Sam, what exactly are you talking about? So with this video that you can see on the screen right now, I'm going to play it in full with the volume up so that you can hear it. And what I'm going to do from there is use Gemini when it comes to helping me structure a plan when it comes to using it as a TikTok ad. So let me just quickly play the video.
Over 10,000 classic retro games in one console. The R36S gives you a crisp 3.5-inch HD screen, smooth controls, and up to 8 hours of battery life. Lightweight and pocket size, take your favorite classics anywhere. The R36S, portable, powerful, retro.
Okay, so that's the video right there. Now what I'm going to do is just drag and drop it into Gemini just like this, and I'm just going to enter this prompt. And all this says is analyze this video for TikTok advertising. Tell me the ideal demographic, age range, interest, behaviors, and what type of audience will convert best. So all of this is for educational purposes, just so that you guys understand how Gemini 3.0 works. But if I just click on submit, let's see exactly what it's able to come back with. All right, perfect. So just like that, it's now come back with all of this information, letting me know the perfect demographic, millennials, Gen Zs. It's also letting me know the interest when it comes to the targeting, what I need to do when it comes to the best keywords, the behaviors, and just everything that I need to know when it comes to helping me run an ad based on this specific video. And the reason why I thought I'd show you guys this is because Gemini 2.5, which is the one that we've been using all this time, couldn't analyze videos in the way that this new version can. To be honest, I'm not sure if there's other completely free AI tools that's able to watch a real video and tell you exactly what's going on in it. And this is helpful for so many different reasons. Whether you want to use it for analyzing YouTube videos, whether you want to use it to help you when it comes to spotting mistakes in a video that you don't really have the time to check, or of course when it comes to helping you with Instagram content, TikTok content, Facebook, or whatever type of video content you want to upload to the internet. I've got another video coming out real soon when it comes to how you can use this feature to help you with a faceless YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss that video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss it. But this now brings me on to the next insane use case, which is going to be with the Google AI Studio. And I'm going to be using the model Gemini 3 Pro Preview, as you can see right there. So if I just click into it, I'm going to enter a specific prompt, but before I do that, I need to show you the website that I'm going to be using as an example in this case, which is this site over here. So this is a site that I built for the purpose just to kind of demonstrate how all of these different AI tools can work together. This is a site that I built using artificial intelligence. And on this site, we can see right here, I've got these 3 different offerings. And all this site is doing is offering an ebook as well as an audiobook when it comes to helping people understand how they can reduce their e-commerce taxes. And essentially what I'm going to be doing with the Google AI Studio is using it to help me build an interactive toolkit that I can now add to the website. And this is something that you can either do as a hobby, you can do it for your own site, you can do it for someone else's site. Just to kind of show you exactly what I'm talking about, if I just jump onto Google, I'm just going to type in e-commerce calculator. And if I just scroll down just like this, there's all of these different sites that have all of these different calculators available. And the reason why they're doing this for completely free is because it's a great way to rank in the Google search results. So if I just click into this one, and this is basically what the calculator looks like. I'm sure that you've probably used one yourself in some way, shape or form. And this is something that Google AI Studio is able to help you do. So if I just go back over to it, the prompt I'm going to enter is this one. You can pause it, read it, and just see exactly what I want to be included in the calculator. But for the most part, this is what you're going to type in. Of course, it's going to be completely different depending on what you're trying to do. But I'm just showing you this as an example, and I'm just going to click on run. And just like that, as you guys can see, the Google AI Studio is writing out the entire code for this calculator. So this is something that you're not going to have to do yourself. And if you want to preview what it looks like, you're going to be able to do that by clicking on the play button. All right, perfect. So this looks pretty decent. Of course, if I wanted to add more to it, if I wanted to change anything, I'm going to be able to easily do that by entering in the prompt. Or if I wanted to manually do it myself by changing the code, I could do that because I do understand HTML code. But for the most part, I'm just going to leave it as it is because this is just an example. So what I need to do is just click on copy to clipboard for me to copy the entire HTML code. And then I'm going to go back over to the site. I'm going to click on editor and I'm going to click into the tax calculator page. I'm going to come over here to elements and I'm going to click on embedded code. I'm going to move it down and I'm just going to paste the code from the Google AI Studio in there just like this and then click on that. All right, perfect. And just like that, as you can see, the calculator is now available on my site. If I just click on preview. So this is what the person is going to see. Again, it's just an example, but let's say if this number was going to be that and this one was going to be this, click on calculate. As you can see, it's fully functional. But yeah, guys, for the most part, those are some of the most interesting ways that I found that you can use various different Google AI tools, whether it's Google AI Mode, Google AI Studio, Google Gemini 3.0. There's so many other insane use cases, and I've got many other videos that I've already filmed, they've already been edited, and they're scheduled to go out over the next few days. So be sure to like this video if you like this type of content. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. But in the meantime, if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I break down some other interesting ways that you can use AI just to help you make things a lot more efficient, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this because that video has helped out so many people. I get messages about it all the time. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the start all the way to the very end, you're going to be able to learn something from it as well. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.